Hello everyone, my name is Elijah and I'm with The Big Garden, and today we're going to be talking about planting kitchen herbs. Growing your herbs is easy, it's affordable, and you'll have fresh kitchen herbs every day. To plant kitchen herbs, you'll just need some soil, a container, a screwdriver, the herbs of your choice, and some water. My container I got from the store and it was only $1, so it's really affordable. I'm going to use the top to catch the drainage from my water. So this is just kind of my base. I'm going to poke some holes in my container so the water can drain through. And so I'm going to take a screwdriver and just poke some holes. So I poked my holes. You only need a few, you don't need too many. And then now I'm just going to add some soil to my bin. So you can use any potting soil that's good for like replanting or starting seeds. I'm just going to make sure to fill my soil about halfway. It doesn't need to be filled all the way to the top. And if there's any clumps in the soil, I'm just going to use my hands just to break them up so it's nice and loose. Okay, now it's time to plant my herbs. Today I chose rosemary, sage, and basil just because they go with a lot of food items. And so if you don't have like a plant to cut your herbs from, some grocery stores sell herbs in the pack just like this, and you can just plant this. So basically all I'm going to do is just take one of my herbs and use my finger and make a hole big enough to stick it in there so it can root. And then I'm going to take my next herb and try to put it a couple inches away so then they have space to grow. I know it might be hard to believe, but you can just cut a part of a plant and it'll grow. It'll just propagate into the soil. When planting herbs, some people might use some root growth, but if you don't have it, just water it enough and it'll grow. Alright, so this is basically my herb garden, and we have some holes for drainage like we said. Some people like to put rocks on top of it for cute decoration, but I'm just going to leave it as is. And I'm going to take it to my window and then I'll water it. So that's how you plant kitchen herbs. Make sure to keep it in a sunny window and water it daily until it's rooted. In about 3 weeks, you should have your fresh herbs for cooking. Thank you from The Big Garden and Soil to Sustenance. See you next time.